Bebe, in order to succeed, your desire for success should be greater than your fear of failing. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters.
Good evening.
My family used to call me Bebe because I'm the youngest among our female siblings. One day, my mother told me to go to my grandfather's house. Bebe, go to your grandfather's house. Ask him to buy us banana and talilong fish. I immediately went to my grandfather's house. And in my way, while walking, banana, talilong, talilong, banana, banana. Oh no! I forgot the name of the fish. Do you know what I brought home? I immediately handed to my mother a bunch of banana and she said, Bebe! One day, my mother again asked me to buy lunch. Maybe I am her favorite kid daughter. I went to the store. The available viand was munggo. My mother handed to me a medium-sized container with broken handle. I waited for a while. The vendor told me, here is your munggo. Be sure to put it down first before you break it. He handed to me a small newspaper which read, Bulgar. Sounds rated X. I used it to hold to support the container because it's very hard. So in my way, I carefully hold this, but I can feel the steaming handles of the munggo. And with my little fingers, within my mind, I cannot remember or I cannot do the vendor's advice to put down the container first before I break it. So you know what happened next. In front of my mother, she said, Bebe! My high school life was very memorable. One thing that made me smile now was when my mother was not able to see her baby in the high school field demonstration. I'm not applying makeup before the field demonstration. We were busy picking mangoes in our classmate's house, and we were surprised that our other classmates were already dancing when we arrived. I saw my mother in the crowd, but this time I also hide in the crowd. After graduation from high school, my parents told me that they cannot afford to send me to college. My father told me, Bebe, we cannot afford to send you to college. We have to wait for another year. I cannot do anything about it, but to wait for another year. My father was very resourceful. Do you know that he was like BDO? He found ways to send me to college, to learn about the Study Now, Pay Later program. And thank you to that plan because I finished my chemical engineering course. I landed in a good job, but while working, I felt that I am not growing anymore. I looked for short computer courses and finished it in 2 years. The strive or the thirst for more learnings let me strive to take up my master's degree in engineering management, where I earned my 39 units. Last year, I had the chance to join the Philippine Institute of Chemical Engineers Kamanava chapter. My objective to join the chapter is to avail the 300 peso discount per seminar in all of the seminars provided by the chapter. I attended the General Assembly, and from that date onwards, I have been very active. The election of officers was held last April. And you know, my name was called from the nominated names. At first, I cannot decide if I will come in front or not. But I asked myself, am I a Toastmaster? Of course, I also answered myself. Yes, you are a lovely Toastmaster. But that is according to the eyes of my 99-year-old mother. I told myself, Bebe, stand in front. You are nearing your norm to be a competent communicator. So I stand in front, and to make the long story short, I am now one of the board of directors of the Philippine Institute of Chemical Engineers, Taman Nava chapter. The chapter was very supportive. They encouraged us to apply in ASEAN Engineering Registry, or AER. As AER, I have the mobility to work in Asia, and my credentials will be certified as within the standard of the ASEAN region. I thought this will be very easy, but I spent 3 months of sleepless nights. Look at my terrible eye bags. I now look like a zombie. I prepared all my credentials. I wrote my 2,000 words of significant engineering works and have everything notarized. My husband, thank you for my husband's participation, because aside from the relaxing massage while I'm doing my documents, he participated by scanning all my documents and have it filed in soft copies. He even joked me that I can be a good security guard. Why? Because I can sleep in a stack while sitting. Then came June 12 of this year. Happy Independence Day, baby! Because I finished all my documents. I hold tightly my applications. 2 blue big ring binds and 2 loose copies. And of course, I accompany this with 5 angelic, invisible ring binds of prayers so that my applications will be approved. Fellow Toastmasters, guests, and no guests of all. Fellow Toastmasters, all of my failures have faded because of my desire to success. I have learned that my energy should always be in action to meet my goals. My strength will always be fueled by my quest to be the best Bebe that I could be. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to share my joy with you. With great humility, I am Maria Rosario Hilbuena Garcia, competent communicator, registered chemical engineer, ASEAN engineer, also known as Bebe. Madam Toastmaster.